The unique DF500 domino jointing tool has been a mainstay of both the professional and hobby woodworker for many years. Whether producing high quality furniture in volume or individual bespoke pieces, its precision, versatility and reliability has never been in doubt. But here at Festool, we never stand still, and with the launch of our new cordless version, we have taken the opportunity to revamp the mains version too. We've made several improvements and tweaks over the original DF500, in this, the DF500 RQ. Supplied in Sustainer, the Plus version is supplied with a 5mm cutter. Additional stop, spanner and cable. In addition, in the set version, this includes a cross stop and trim stop. The new DF500 RQ features the same body design as the previous model, with the same depth of plunge adjustments. Only this time, we've also taken the opportunity to highlight the spindle lock and release button in green. As everyone knows, everything green on a Festool tool is a doing button. A close look at the machine will reveal we've made many other improvements, some taken from our existing joining machine, the Domino XL. Difficult to improve on perfection, but I think we have. First up are the improvements made to the head of the machine. We've moved to these retractable pins as featured on the Domino XL. We now have two sets of pins. These outside pins are set to 37mm from the centre of the domino. The inside pins are set at 22mm. These pins give you reliable repeat centres on your projects. Simply press in the pins you don't need, and when you've finished, press the green buttons on either side of the machine to release them. Continuing to look at the head of the machine, we've made further improvements over the previous model. In the past, only one of these posts would provide clamping for the plate. Now, both posts are clamped securely, providing even more stability when using. The height scale has moved across to the right, next to the height locking lever, but height adjustment is still set using the traditional black stop for the thickness of the material. This pointer on the scale here is the centre of the material. One further improvement we've made is at first sight cosmetic, but actually very useful. On the original model, over the years, these markings showing the distance inside the pins to the centre line of the cutter would start to fade. We've now taken the opportunity to make them deeper and make them more visible for longer. And don't worry if you're an existing Domino user. All your existing Domino DF500 accessories will continue to fit the new model. The Sustainer also has a place for all your accessories too. And please don't forget to register the tool using the Festool app to ensure the best support in the power tool industry. Warranty all inclusive. My name's Gordon, thanks for watching Festool TV.